Have you ever tried to imagine a 4D cube, a shape that exists in 4 dimensions? Sounds crazy, right? Our human brains can barely handle 3D. So, what happens when we deal with the data in hundreds or even thousands of dimensions? In real world dataset like images and text, there are thousands and millions of features. After getting optimal point, increasing features will not increase the model performance. Instead, it will decrease the accuracy, which is called the curse of dimensionality. Points get closer to the edges. In the higher dimension, every points are close to the border and very few points are in the center, which looks like outliers and can confuse the models. Points are far from each others. In higher dimension, points are spread out. Imagine like this. If you have 100 dice in the small 2D box, they are close together, but when you throw in the ground, they are far apart and can barely see each other's. And in algorithm like KNN, which rely on finding the nearest neighbors, become meaningless. In higher dimensions, you need a huge amount of data to avoid overfitting. Without enough data, model tends to overfit because the data becomes sparse. In higher dimensional data, pros are more features and better insights, but only if you can manage it well. And the cons are exponential growth, decreased performance, and overfitting risk. First, feature selection, in which there are techniques like forward selection and backward elimination. Second, feature extraction, where techniques like PCA, and finally, the data simplification. Hope you understand the concept of COD. Thank you very much.